Right. Everyone is speaking about Meta's Andromeda update, but 90% what you're hearing is wrong. You have probably seen the fair mongering post, Rose is dead, Andromeda ruined your ads. But the reality, Andromeda has been live for almost a year. But most advertisers only notice it once it was globally rolled it out. And here is the truth, Andromeda is not here to hand you result. It's designed to deliver what a personalized ad faster. If your performance drop because of your ad setup is still designed to the old system. So do you want a breakdown of the best practice of the for this Meta Andromeda? So comment update and I will send it to you. What Andromeda actually does. Let me explain Andromeda in 10 seconds without the nervy nonsense. Right. Meta first used to group people together, right? Now Andromeda targets individual person and it's basically the version of a Netflix recommendation. All right. For the example, two people interested in fitness won't see the same ads anymore. All right. Meta picks which ad variation you should more likely to click, buy, and engage with. So if your ads all the same, so Meta has nothing unique to match to each user. So follow for the part two, and I will show you the how many variation that you should make for your campaign. Thank you. Why some advertisers are losing money? If Andromeda is supposed to improve performance, why are some advertisers tanking? There are three main reasons here. Seasonality. Q4 CPMs always rise. And next one is your market chance. Competitor scaled or demand dipped. The last one, you didn't update your structure. This is the big one. If you are still running 3 to 4 ads per asset, if you're forcing narrow targeting, and if you are still using old testing structure, Andromeda won't work for you. The update rewards advertiser who give the system more creative freedom. So without hesitation, DM me and say fix my ads and I will send you the update structure checklist. Thank you. The chance you must make. Andromeda only has one weakness and you are probably guilty of it. Andromeda works by matching the right ads to the right person. But here is the trap. Most advertisers aren't giving enough creatives to choose from, and you need more ads, more angles, more messaging, more formats, right? Just you have to think problem aware, solution aware, pain point, desire, different avatars, etc. Meta only can personalize if you give it options. So do you want 20 ad angles idea for your campaign? So comment creative, I will send it you the checklist. How many ads to run now? Meta used to say 6 ads max. Now the rules have changed. Andromeda can handle way more effective. And you are seeing the best performance with 12 to 20 ads per ad set and rotate in waves. High quality different angles, not just lazy duplicate. All right. This limit isn't Meta anymore. Right. The limit is how many good creative you can produce. If Andromeda is Netflix, your ad account needs a library, not just single episode. So save this video and follow for the full Meta Andromeda setup tutorial. The biggest advantage nobody is talking about. Andromeda has a hidden superpower and almost nobody is using it. Meta can now add sequence automatically. It shows awareness style ads to cold user and directly response ads to warm buyers without you building complicated funnels. But this only work if you are give Meta multiple creative types. If everything you upload is a hard skill, Meta can't sequence anything. So do you want my full 3-layer creative structure? Drop a comment in the comments and I'll send it to you.